Introduction. Usually data can be presented in the form of table. Graphs are visual representation of data. In this chapter, let us study histogram and line graph. New channels and magazines use graphs to give a better understanding of the article. Graphs provide a catchy and simple way. Here is a pie chart that clearly compares the sales of a magazine in various countries in the world. Thus, the graphs play a very important role in our lives. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to draw bar graphs, represent the given data in the form of a pie graph, draw histogram, draw line graph, locate a point on the graph, solve some application problems using graphs. Graphical representation. Bar graph. It is a pictorial representation of the numerical data by a number of bars, rectangles of uniform width erected horizontally or vertically with equal spacing between them. The bar graph shows Divya's performance in the quarterly, half-yearly and annual examinations. It helps us to compare whole year's performance. From the above graph, we infer that Divya's total marks has been increasing, which shows progress in her studies. Bar graph can also have double bars. This graph gives a comparative account of sales of various crackers over a 2-day period. From the above graphs, first graph shows the comparison of 3 examinations of a student. Second graph shows that 4 variety of crackers sales in 2 days. Pie graph or a circle graph. Pie graph is used to compare parts of a whole. The circle represents the whole is a pie graph. In the month of December 2008, Ramu spends his monthly salary amounting to rupees 7,200 on different items. Histogram. A histogram is a graphical representation of a frequency distribution in the form of rectangles with class intervals as bases and heights proportional to corresponding frequencies such that there is no gap between any 2 successive rectangles. The following table gives the marks scored by 100 students in an entrance examination. A line graph. A line graph displays data that changes continuously over periods of time. The above table shows the temperature of Chennai city, taken every 4 hours for a day. We call this as time temperature graph. The horizontal line x-axis shows the timings at which the temperatures were recorded. The vertical line y-axis denotes the temperature. The temperature of every 4 hours is recorded and plotted as points as shown in the graph. These points are connected by line segments. The result is line graph. From the graph, in between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m., we can find that the temperature was increased by 2 degrees Celsius. This is the location time graph for a cyclist. While plotting the graph, the short movements of time where the cyclist changed his speed when neglected. From the graph we can determine the location of the cyclist at a given movement. The type of motion with which he was traveling along particular segments is speed, the distance he covered, and even his direction of movement. So from segment AB, we can discover that the cyclist covered the distance of 100 meters in 20 seconds, moving at a constant speed of 5 meters per second. Segment BC indicates that the cyclist stopped after having traveled a distance of 100 meters. From segment CD, we can see that the cyclist went on to move with a greater speed. In 20 seconds, he covered a distance of 200 meters, which means that he was traveling with a speed of 10 meters per second. Segment D shows the cyclist stopped for 20 seconds. Then from segment EF, we can discover that the cyclist turned back and after 20 seconds reached the location which he started his journey. He was moving with a constant speed of 15 meters per second.
Good morning, students. Now start exercise 15.1. In 15.1 is given the each question will the graph, and some question will be according to find in the graph. They will write the answer. Okay, in the graph will be between time and temperature. The question, the following graphs show the temperature and of the patient in hospital record every hour. You have see the graph and you see the on your book there in 1 hour will be 2 squares. Okay, so then we 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. is 2 squares. In midpoint is a 9:30 p.m. 9:30 a.m. Then 10 to 11 is middle is a 10:30 a.m. and graph will be continue 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 to up to 3, and horizontal vertically line will be show the temperature is 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and here will be same. In the distance between 2 square is a 1 degree. In middle is a 0.5. Okay, so now start the exercise. Well, first question is what was the patient's temperature at 1 p.m. So you find the 1 p.m. here, and down is a, this is the 1 p.m. temperature is going at this point is this between 36 and 37. So there the temperature is, that answer is 36.5 degree centigrade. Okay, now second question is called when was the patient's temperature is 38.5 centigrade. Again you show the diagram, say is temperature is 38. Here will be write that 34, 35, 36, 37 and 38. That the 38.5 is between the 38 and 35. This is the line of 38.5 temperature, and going on this point and downward will come, and that's the time is 12 noon. The answer will come is 12 noon. Okay, now question number third. Question number third is asked the patient's temperature was same is 2 times. During the patient give the what are 2 times. They will go. So you have see in this part of the graph is temperature are same. So this is temperature is 36.5, but temperature is not find the temperature, is find the time. So this is the time of is 1 and second point will be 2. So that you write is answer 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. is a temperature are same a patient. Okay, now for D question, D is a what was the temperature at 1:30 p.m. 1:30 p.m. is between 1:30 p.m. is between 1 and 2. There the point is, this point is called the 1.30. Here will be temperature is same 36.5. Okay, but here is a constant temperature. So that how did you arrive at your answer? Okay, so you write the temperature is the temperature of 130, the temperature of at 1:30 p.m. is 36.5 degree centigrade. Okay, and what will we arrive? It's mean the point between 1 and 2 p.m. Okay, and the fourth question fifth question, during the which period did the patient's temperature shown in the upward? Okay, so that is a which time will be temperature will be up. Okay, so you see first will be here will be constants and they up. The first time is 9 a.m. and second will be last will be 11 a.m. as a highest temperature. Their answer is 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. And the following line graph show the year sale figure for the manufacturing company. In this graph will be show one side year and second year is a sale in crore. Okay, year will be going 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006 and crore is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 is a sale in crore. Okay, according to this graph solve the sum questions. The first is a what were the sale in 2002 and 2006. Okay, so you 2002 here will be 2002. This the line is 2002 is up down is a point is sale of show. This is the point of show. What is a which year the how many sales? So this is the 2002. In 2002 is equal to 4 crore. Okay, and 2006 there will be 2006 is a sale of 8 crore. That is the second answer is 2006 is a sale is 8 crores. Next is a what were the sale in 2003 and 2005. There will be 2003 you go on their sale is this point. At this point is between 6 to 8. This is the 7 point. It's mean in sale of 2003 is 7 crores. Okay, and second is asked question is 2005. There's a 2005 is a sale of is 10 crore. Okay, this is the information according to graph. And next is compared to the difference between the sale of 2002 and 2006. So the difference between the sale in 2002 and 2006. Okay, is 2006 is a sale is 8 crore and 2002 is 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. In sale is crores units, so that the answer is 4 crore unit. And next is a in which year will was the where greatest difference of the sale. In this which year will be difference greater difference, it means the high jump of the sale. So here is a 2004 and first will we check 2002 and 2003 is a sale difference is a 4 to 7. It means 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 crore. Okay, means here is a 3 crore sale. Next is a here is a down. Here will be 2004 and 2005. Okay, in between this it is a 6 and is a 10. The 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 means this year is a big greater difference of the sale. Okay, so 2005 in 2005 is greatest difference the sale. Okay, and how much then the 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 crores. 4 crores shall be increase. Question number 3. For experimental in the botany, two plants A and B are growth in similarly to laboratory condition. The height is the measure in the end each of the week for third week. The result show in the following graph. Okay, so it is given the graph between two plants A and plants B. Here will be a dotted line is show the plant A and regular line is show the plant B, and this start point and after 3 weeks will be it is the showing on the graph, and y axis is the vertically axis is going on the height is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 foot. In each number will be 2 square will be used. It means the midpoint is 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Okay, so according to this graph you give the some answers. That the first question is how height was plant A. Only you show the plant A after 2 week and after 3 week. So you write the after second week. After second week the height, this is the start and 1 and second week. Second week the height is 7 centimeter, and second is after 3 week. After 3 week is the height is first week, second week and third week. The dotted line is the plant A is a height show the parallel to common, and 8 between 10. 8 between 10 is a 9 in centimeter. Okay. Similarly, second question is use the related only height. Who height in the plant of B? Only plant B. Plant B is after second week, and second is ask a 3 week, a third week. Okay, now dotted line is a plant A and regular line is a plant B. Plant B is start to here, and after 1 week is his height is 1 centimeter, and second week is the height is a same is a 7 centimeter. So you write the answer is 7 centimeter. Okay, now third week is a plant is B, and the point of B is regular to 10. It means this height is 10 centimeter. Okay, third question, how much did plant A growth during the third week? Only you find the height in only third week. Okay, that growth in only third week. Third week means between 2 and 3. The 3 week is height is 10 centimeter minus second week is a 7 centimeter. So their answer is only 3 centimeter height will be growth. Okay. In the question number 4 is how much did the plant B growth in the end of the second week and week to end of third week. Okay, so there the answer is in second week and third week. Now with second week is the height of second week and third week. The height, growth of plant B. Third week is 9 centimeter and second is 7 centimeter, is 2 centimeter is a growth will be now. This is the plant B. Plant B is a growthing is a dotted a regular line is a point of B. Point B is a 10. So this is the 3, and this is the plant A. Plant A is the highest, is third is dotted line is 9. Okay, so the answer is 2. Okay, now during the which week is the plant A, only plant A growth most? In this which week is a plant is a more? So here will be plant A. Plant A is a 2 centimeter. Is a growth is 1 is second. First beak is a height is 2 centimeter. Second beak is a height is 2 to grade to 7. It means here is a difference is 5. Here is a difference is 1. 2. And third beak is a 10 minus 7 is 3. 2. 9 minus 7. Here will be 9. Here 7. Here 2. So the difference between here difference is 5. Here difference is 2. And here difference is 2. So maximum difference is a beak is first to second beak. Okay, and during which beak did plant B growth less? Okay, सबसे कम. तो B के लिए देखें, listen me. In B is a regular line. Here will be 0 to 1 is only 1, and here is the same to 7 to 1. Here is the point is 7. Here is the point of 1 is a 6, and less here is a 9. Plant B is a 10 and 7 is 3. It means minimum growth, less growth is first week, only first week, because first week is a length is second. Plant B is 1 centimeter height growth, but second week is a height is 6. Difference between end and starting point is a 6 centimeter, and third week is a 10 to 7 is 3 centimeter will be growth. So minimum या less than growth is only first week. And last question, where the two plants are same height during the any beak show? Same height. This is the point of same height. It's mean that second beak. The following graphs show the temperature of forecast and the actual temperature and end of the peak. Okay, so now first will we read the graph and write the some answers. In the graph is given that the dotted line is a forecast and plain line is as the actual temperature. In the graph is it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday in the weekday, and here will be given the temperature in given centigrade. So dotted line will be show a temperature of forecast and straight line will be show actual temperature. Okay, then the first question is on which days the forecast temperature the same as actual temperatures. So same as you show that the first point is second point and the third point. The 3 points are same temperature, forecast and actual temperature. So this day is the first is Monday. To first day is a answer is Monday, and second day is a Tuesday. You write the answer is Tuesday is Tuesday, and Friday and last is a Sunday. The 3 days a temperature of same as the actual temperature. Okay, and second question asks what will the maximum forecast? Maximum forecast means you show the dotted line and maximum temperature of the during of the week. In this week will be maximum forecast temperature is dotted line. So you show the dotted line is highest in the week is Sunday, and maximum Sunday is a maximum forecast, but temperature is Sunday is a temperature of 35 degree centigrade. So day is a Sunday and temperature is 35 degree centigrade. Third is a what was the minimum actual temperature during this week. Minimum is temperature is actual day is minimum temperature. Minimum temperature is a line of in the directly. So you have see the minimum temperature is 2 point is A point and second is a B point. 2 points. This is the Thursday and Friday. So you write the day is Thursday, okay, and Friday, and temperature is 15 degree centigrade, okay. And last will be answer that the on which day did the actual temperature difference of the most from the forecast difference, okay. Which day of daily, one day is a difference is not only 0.5, here will be by 5 point, but Thursday is a 1 2 3, 3 means they multiply 3 points is difference. 1 2 3 means they are 15 to 15 is a minimum 15 and maximum is 22.5 is minus 5.5, okay. The day is a this day is Thursday. Thursday is a maximum actual